Hey everybody, this is Praxis, and the roof is essentially done. These are the last two boards to go up. We're just going to fill in that little notch at the top. The salvage boards that I was able to grab actually worked out really well. I was able to sand them all up pretty nicely, and they look decent. They match the rest of it pretty well. I mean, it's still just the loft of a shed, so it really didn't matter that much, but whoa. Yeah, on the inside anyway, I mean on the outside here, I didn't bother to clean the outside surface, but the inside it looks pretty good. I'll bring you guys in later on to check that out. Between the cedar boards and these scraps, I was able to finish the entire roof with the exception of one board. I had to steal one board from the inside to have a contiguous run all the way across it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hawk flying up over us, just over here, just behind you. Other than that, it was just the salvage boards that made the job finish up fine. The only thing that's missing at this point is the two kind of triangular ends. I think it's called the gable ends, perhaps. The two triangle-shaped openings above the collar ties, you know, going up to the peak of the roof. And I'm going to have to do that stuff with interior boards. I've got a few shorty little pieces of this kind of stuff left, but in addition to the fact that I don't have enough of it, also, if this stuff has any kind of diminished strength, you really want those triangled corners to be nice and strong to hold the roof together. Enough this stuff isn't strong. You sand down and, well, you look on the inside, you cut through it, and it's perfectly clean wood on the inside. It had like a little dry rot on the outside here and there, but the inside looks like pristine, brand new boards. So these, I'm sure, are strong anyway, but the fact is, I don't have any long ones left because I used them all up there. So yeah, it took a lot longer to do it that way. I probably cumulatively used an extra day of, because they're smaller pieces, I had to cut them all to size, and also, the sanding and the cleaning and everything. But I think it was worth it. I saved probably a couple $100 saved that way. So I pay myself a couple $100 to do that kind of salvage work, and it's a good feeling to know that you're giving something that could have just gone to a landfill or gone into a burn pile. You give it a second life and give it another use, and that gives me a good feeling in addition to the fact that I got $200. That's it. Thanks for watching.